Risk Moon is listed on CoinGecko. Man, have you seen that price? Dude, that price has shot up like crazy. Is listed on CoinGecko. Have you seen that price? Dude, that Of all the cryptos I've talked about, man, Risk Moon, I'm probably most excited about Risk Moon. They're just, their burn is so aggressive. So, yeah, I will be keeping my eyes on that one for sure. Let's see, I'm still trying to get set up a little bit, but thanks for letting me know about that. That's great. I am going to try to go live on TikTok and YouTube at the same time. So we will see how this goes. Okay, I am live on TikTok and on YouTube right now. So I'm mostly going to be responding to the comments. Whatever you want to talk about, let's talk about it. So I made a video on Yield Watch, on farming, on the good, the bad, and the ugly with farming, insanely high rates, on Pancake Swap. And, you know, to be honest with you, I mean, so my video, I was a little despondent, but I'm pretty happy with the results I've gotten so far. So, all right, I've lost $8.89 to impermanent loss on this one coin, but I've made about $40 on the Easy WBNB pair. So that's $32. So it's not, instead of it being 300%, it's like 225%. And just in case you're confused as to why I have a microphone, those of you watching on TikTok, I am live on both TikTok and YouTube. So if you want to see me on YouTube, you can look up the Stonk Report on YouTube. And I'm sharing my screen on YouTube. So you can, if you follow me on YouTube right now, you can see the screen that I'm on my computer screen, basically. So what's up, Ibra from TikTok? I'm good. OGN. Let me think. OGN. I know I've done a little bit of research on OGN. Origin Protocol. Let me go back to the website here and just see what they're about. Seems like they actually have a function, which cool, you know, glad to see. Check out our products. Let's see. Origin's suite of products is revolutionizing how people shop and conduct business online. Effortlessly create a decentralized e-commerce store with DShop and earn competitive yields with the Origin dollar. My eyes are being open to things like this. I saw one coin that was like a gambling coin. It's going to, you know, create a gambling platform. And I'm seeing platforms, if they're successful, will dominate. That's a thing you've got to, I mean, that's what I'm seeing with BNB, with Pancake Swap, with Sushi Swap. These things, they build these platforms where other people can develop on them, and they're killing it. So OGN, I'm curious if it's big enough. I don't see it here on coin360.com. Yeah, let me look up the price, because yeah, I'm not surprised that it's skyrocketing. Will it check the team? Yeah, I'll check the team in a second for sure. Will it succeed? So 323 million volume, 2 billion market cap. So it's one of the top 100 coins. Rank 105 is what it's saying. Wow, yeah, it definitely is skyrocketing. That's great. That's great. What's up? Oh, Sullivan. Yeah. On TikTok, not on YouTube. That's interesting. I saw you comment, Sullivan, on one of my videos, and I was like, dude, that's Sullivan. I know it's Sullivan. So good to see you, man. That's funny. I'm live on TikTok and YouTube right now. So let's see. Who's the team of... All right, the team. Here we go. OGN team. OGN team. John Fraser, Matthew Liu, Upan, Frank. I don't know any of these names. Good-looking people. Lots of good-looking people, at least. Founders of YouTube and Google and PayPal. All right. Who is the founder of YouTube? I know it's... I hate to say it like this. I know it's an Asian guy. I can't remember his name. Matthew Liu. Oh, Matthew Liu. Matt was the third PM at YouTube, acquired by Google. Vice President PM at Quickie. Yeah, you know what? I mean, I would hate to get in now, based off of the chart that I'm looking at. But you know, it's like, seems like something I could get behind for sure. Yeah. So cool. OGN. What else? Oh man. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. My microphone got unplugged. All right. Being listed just today on Coinbase. That's awesome. Runecoin. Give me a second. Let me see about Runecoin. All right, trying to multitask here. Runecoin. Thorchain. I'm seeing something about Thorchain. Is that what you mean? All right, Robert on YouTube, Zom and OCGN. Well, I have OGN. Is that what you're talking about? I just took a look at OGN, and I really like it. So there's that. Any new coins in your watch list? Any future video ideas? Yes. Ashton on YouTube. I am going to take a look at Elongate. It's become unavoidable for me. I want to look at it from a short-term technical analysis standpoint. Because it's had its big run up. It was driven a lot by a lot of I'm just gonna move this boom mic out of the way. It was driven a lot by a lot of hype, and so I want to analyze it just based on what do I think about it. I don't know much about it as far as all right, Thorchain is ruined. Good to know. I don't know much about it as far as like, does it burn? Is it deflationary? I'm assuming it's deflationary. So we'll see. I might make a video about that today, actually. I really am liking the videos, the YouTube videos I'm making. So yeah, Thorchain. Let me go to the Thorchain website. And if you're confused as to why I'm talking about Thorchain right now, I am live on YouTube and on TikTok. So decentralized liquidity protocol, deposit native assets into liquidity pools that earn yield. Where did it go? It just refreshed. The network is 100% autonomous and decentralized. So seems like something similar to PancakeSwap, with the pools and everything, which I just love. I love platforms. I love getting behind platforms. I'm really big into PancakeSwap, into BNB. I love those. So let's see. Let me see the team. I'm not going to take a look at the where is it? I'm not going to take a deep dive on this just while I'm live right now, basically. But I would love to find the white pages. I mean, just at first glance, it intrigues me at least. So there is that. Okay, all right. Build something, get funded. I'm curious if there's like a platform that I, without much coding experience, could build a crypto asset on. I would just burn. I would just burn and burn and burn. I would just be like, okay, time to burn. So it has no market cap or circulating supply. Oh, bro, just checked Elongate. It says, well, all right, let me check Elongate, because like I've seen price charts for Elongate. I've seen people hyping up price charts for Elongate. So let me just see. Yeah, all right. So it's 0.000000128. Market cap of 128 million, volume of 6.6 million. That's pretty good. Let me extend the chart here. 1 year chart. What in the world? I think I see what you're saying, Ibra. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. So Elongate. I guess I'll have to investigate further on this. I'm pretty sure that's the one that I've seen a lot of people hyping. So I'm just going to check out Riskmoon again. Man. All right, so that thing shot up like crazy. Got up to, I don't even want to say the numbers. Riskmoon. But now it's a massive green candle followed by a massive red candle, but not as far down with the red candle. Let's see. Fast Moon kind of hovering around. Orfano hovering. Pitbull is finally on the upswing. All right. Circulating supply. Oh, yeah. I don't see anything about circulating supply. So I don't know. I'll need to do more research on this. That is the PB, bro. I don't know what you mean. Oh, come on. Don't give me the definition of elongate. I'm not even seeing any website or anything. Just some news articles, I guess. Yeah. What if they tell you it has 500 billion circulating supply. That would be pretty funny. It appears to have started from a joke. It's hard to tell whether it has goals beyond meme status, though like so many online forum-based investments, we've been assured it's going to the moon. But shouldn't it be going to Mars? That's the sort of Elon Musk's SpaceX plan, right? Anyway, back to this new altcoin that's capturing the imagination of fanboys and a handful of investors. Alright, so there's a tweet. If there's ever a scandal about me, please call it Elongate. So, not elongate, but Elongate is the word. Go to the website via CMC site. Crypto market cap. Okay. Let's see. Oh, wait, I think I saw it down there. Coin market cap. That's what I meant to say, not crypto market cap. This is the Elon Musk game. He couldn't succeed with Dogecoin. Now he's trying a different one. Oh, wait, that's not. All right. I mean, he did shoot up the price of Dogecoin. So, let's see. Oh, elongate.cc. Here we go. All right. I'm assuming that it's deflationary. Oh, yep. Here's the Elon Musk tweet. If there's ever a scandal about me, please call it Elongate. Has no affiliation with Elon Musk. All right. 10% fee. Half rewards all holders and half auto locks in the Pancake LP. Every fortnight, funds are extracted for charity donations and community giveaways. So, 10%, just like SafeMoon. I would assume that the initial supply was 1 quadrillion. Whoa. All right, I'm on the page. I'm having a really hard time. That can't be right. All right, I need to find this on. I need to find this on the white paper. Because it was a 1 followed by so many zeros that I couldn't even count the zeros. If it's that many zeros, yeah, people are talking about it. Oh wait, you're talking about SafeMoon. Yeah, give me 1 second to address SafeMoon. Earn, burn, charity, 5% of each. But come on. Okay. 1. Yeah, that's all right. 1 quadrillion. And it's just like SafeMoon. But probably not as big. So I don't know if I'm going to make a video about this. We'll see. See some guys on LinkedIn. Alright, so SafeMoon. You want to talk about SafeMoon. Okay, bro, seriously, I know SafeMoon is like a joke, but I feel it will pump up more due to the people talking about it, even though I didn't put $1 in SafeMoon. Let me give you a dirty little secret. I think you're right. I think it's going to pump. I think people are going to make a good amount of money. And I think very few people are just going to hodl. So people are going to get their 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x returns. And good for them. it's also going to dump. And the thing that I see with SafeMoon is that the volume just isn't high enough. The volume's not high enough for the burn to be like. I just think there's better, given the size of their market cap right now. I think there's better options. So I mean, you want to put some money in SafeMoon, fine. I would prefer RiskMoon over SafeMoon right now, given its position, its current position in comparison to its pump. Given other things, like just it's a much smaller market cap, so there's a lot more room to grow. So I know I've kind of become public enemy number one on TikTok with SafeMoon, but I don't even know if I would be considered public enemy number one. People love to, if SafeMoon shoots to the moon, it's going to be great for me, because that means more people are going to come to my videos and gloat, and help the algorithm. I'll get more followers. So what is RiskMoon? Yeah, it's not as famous as SafeMoon, but it's also worth 1/100th of it's also worth 1/100th of SafeMoon according to the market cap, and it has more than 1/100th of the people who hold it. RiskMoon, like SafeMoon, just think it's like SafeMoon, but it has a more aggressive burn. So, let me think here. I'm pretty sure it's 10% burn and 5% distribution. The price is 0.00000012 right now is the price of RiskMoon. You compare that to SafeMoon, same supply, same initial supply, 1 quadrillion. SafeMoon I think has 6 zeros. Okay, so it is worth I can't even do the math. 1/70th. Yeah, it's worth 1/70th of SafeMoon. RiskMoon is worth 1/70th of SafeMoon. It does not have 1/70th of the market cap. It does not have, or sorry, it does have 1/70th of the market cap. It doesn't have 1/70th of the people involved. It has more investors. So really, it doesn't matter. I think these are good for pumping and dumping. I really do. But who knows? Maybe, honestly, SafeMoon right now is at a price that it might be worth getting in. Yeah. Stay away from anything with moon in it. If you want something that's burning, go grab Crow. Yeah, man, I do like Crow. I didn't know that Crow was burning. That makes me even more excited about it. All right, I have to go to the Crow website. And if you're on TikTok and you're watching this and you're confused, I'm live on TikTok and YouTube right now. So I want to see their tokenomics. And I'm sharing my screen on YouTube. So if you were to watch this on YouTube, you would see my screen. So burning down until 5.9 billion, which is their current market cap. Good to know. Good to know. All right. It's going to be hard to find a white paper because it's on crypto.com. I mean, I know it's the crypto.com. $1 per coin if they hold their market cap and finish burning. That's great. And they have a great platform. I love their platform. I have it on my phone. mostly to just buy Binance and then send that to my Trust wallet. So, all right, Crypto.org coin Crow is the native token of the Crypto.org chain. Yeah, all right. Crypto.org chain was created to build a network of cryptocurrency projects and develop merchants' ability to accept crypto as a form of payment. And I think that they're doing that quite well. So good for you. Businesses can use Crypto.com to pay checkout and for invoice, to enable customers to complete checkout and yada yada. I know all about Crow. See, here's the white paper. Okay, what is up, Nick G? Good to see you, man. I am live on YouTube and on TikTok right now, trying this out for the first time. So I just want to see the tokenomics. Show me the tokenomics. Okay, Crow token. 44 to 48. Page 44 to 48. All right, total token supply 100 billion, but they're burning. Let's see, community development, token secondary distribution network, capital reserve, ecosystem grants. Freeze 60% of Crow supply. The 3 Crow wallets that respectively hold the tokens as capital reserve, and yada yada yada. Both the wallets for capital reserve and network long-term incentives will be frozen for 3 years. All right. I'm going to read more about this later. I've been a big fan of Crow and of Crypto.com. So, good stuff. Good stuff. Thorchain. All right. I got a text from a friend. What do you think Ethereum support is now? I don't know, 2,000? How would I text that to him? I don't know, comma, 2,000 question mark. Why don't you hear my voice? Ay, okay. All right. They start to take some business from Coinbase as well, looking for it to 2 to 3x market cap soon. That's yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. That sounds right. Nick G, I was trying to what's the word? I was trying to send a text to a friend. So that's all. I know you can hear me just fine. All right. Nick G on YouTube has bought Unity coin. Unity. UNITI. Unity Protocol. I might make a video about this one. Ooh, total supply 1 million. All right. 6% tax of each transaction. 4% redistributed among holders. 2% locked in liquidity. 98 supply linked with 2 BNB. All right. What do I think about XRP? Just from a numbers standpoint, 4 pages for Unity. All right, I'm sure Unity will be fine in the short run. 4 pages for a white paper, and one of those pages being just a quote from Elon Musk. It's like you've got to do more than that. Come on. All right, just from a numbers standpoint, I think XRP has a long way to go up this cycle. I think the SEC drama held it down. I think that it's now bouncing, and if it is ever announced that the SEC has moved on or they've settled or anything like that, I would expect XRP to shoot up pretty rapidly. I think somewhere like $8 or $9 this cycle. So XRP will hit about $8 or $9. Can VeChain go €1? Absolutely. Yes. I'd be shocked if VeChain didn't go €1. All right. Let's see. How are things doing today? Bitcoin, I'm so shocked. 58,000. It's like I'm stuck in a GIF. Yeah, a GIF. Where I check the price of Bitcoin and it's like within 1,000 or 2 of 58,000, and it's never going to end. It's just going to go on forever. So, all right. I see questions on TikTok and YouTube. I saw the TikTok question first, so I'll answer that one. Bro, I'm based in UK. How can I buy SafeMoon? I will give it a go. You're going to buy it. That's funny. Whitebit. Check out Whitebit. I can't use Whitebit in the United States. All right. So have I reviewed Moonshot? I have not done a video review of Moonshot. I think I could guess right now it's tokenomics. Moonshot.audio. That's an interesting website. And it probably has a burn and a this isn't Moonshot's website. All right, I'll go to CoinMarketCap real quick. Could I write it, please? White, like the color or the non-color, I guess. And bit, B-I-T. I can't write it right now. Nick G uses Whitebit. You just have to lie. So, all right, I want to say something about Moonshot. I'm not going to go to their website, but it's fascinating to me. I've seen there are some people I follow on TikTok who have been hating. Like, you think I'm bad with SafeMoon? They make fun of SafeMoon all the time. And they both these guys plugged Moonshot, and I'm sort of like, what's the difference between Moonshot and SafeMoon? So I mean, whatever. It's like it's probably something very similar. So. I don't know. I don't know what the deal is with Moonshot. What's the difference? I mean, anything with moon in its name, it seems like it's all the same stuff. So let's see, 0.0000005, so 7 zeros, and then a 5. Okay, sure, Moonshot. Maybe I'll take a look at it and give it a better opinion. So Harry Payne on TikTok says SafeMoon is going to hit $5. No, it won't. Here's why SafeMoon will never hit a dollar even. It's because it depends on the burn. It depends on the. I know it was a joke, but it depends on the burn. And what's going to happen is like some idiot has SafeMoon in their wallet, and then they're going to like lose their wallet, and they're going to have like 10 billion SafeMoon, and so the supply of SafeMoon will never go below 10 billion because of that idiot in their wallet. So I absolutely wish that's the thing that's like the one thing that's holding me back on a lot of these deflationary tokens is like I wish that everyone holding them would like remember and not lose their wallet keys, and then they just keep selling and selling and selling, and the supply just keeps decreasing until one day like there's 1 million SafeMoon. And if it ever got to 1 million, then it would be worth way more than $1. But the people who sell and then lose their key, or who buy it and then lose their keys, are going to ruin it for the rest of us. So, all right, if I had to choose only 3 coins, obviously Bitcoin. That's easy, the easiest one. It's like I just want to say Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. But if I were to only choose 3 coins, it would probably be like the 3 biggest ones by market cap, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance. Because if it gets to this day like this is clearly a bubble. I mean, I don't know how you could not describe what we're seeing today as a bubble, where there's new tokens created like every minute, and those tokens instantly become worth millions of dollars. So a lot of these coins are going to die, including possibly SafeMoon. And if it ever gets to the day when there's 5 coins left, Bitcoin will easily, if there was only 1 coin left, it would be Bitcoin. If there's 5 left, I would assume Bitcoin and Ethereum would be 2 of those 5. And then we'll see about the rest of them, So, but I really love Binance, but I'm biased because I got in so low with Binance. If SafeMoon hits a penny, it would be a miracle. Is there a future where I could see SafeMoon hitting a penny? Yeah, maybe. But people have to buy and sell. They can't hodl. So, if you're going to hodl, then it's not going to be worth a penny. I saw a question about games coins. I don't have any that I'm invested in. What coins have I invested in? A lot of them. So obviously I'm Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance. That's probably like 85% of my portfolio right there. Polkadot, Cardano, Algorand. What else? There's so many. Stellar Lumens, XLM, Matic. All right, now I'm thinking about all the different platforms I have coins on. So then there's Hex, there's Cosmos, Pancake. I love Pancake, especially for this bull run. I have a lot invested in Pancake. And what else? Yeah, I know Stellar's XLM. I was just like processing all that in my mind. And then I have some of these newer coins. I have like 3,000, 5,000, something like that in these other coins. I'm pretty much out of SafeMoon, but I have RiskMoon, FastMoon, Orfano, Pitbull. Why Pancake? Yeah, Cardano is not moving anymore. I don't care if what Cardano's doing. Nick G, am I reading your portfolio? That's funny. I have no idea what Cardano is doing right now. Or sorry, I don't care what Cardano is doing because I I care about. I think of Cardano not short term, but like ultra long term. I think Cardano could survive for the rest of our lives, and so I like it. Why Pancake? I like platforms. I like swaps, things that other coins build on. So that's why I love BNB, and that's why Binance has gone up like crazy this year, is because they have a phenomenal platform. One where if you compare it to Ethereum with their ridiculous gas fees, it's like I'm paying 40 cents a transaction right now with Binance versus $60 a transaction with Ethereum. And so Pancake is the same thing. It's a platform that uses Binance, but then there's a lot of coins on Pancake's platforms. They have these farms and these pools with these amazing yields. Right now, I'm staking 330 Pancake tokens at 100% annual return. So I want to get that up to 365, to where essentially I'm getting one new Pancake a day, Pancake token. And then I have stuff in their farms, and those things are really high yields, but you got to watch out for things like gas fees, or not gas fees, impermanent loss, which I can show if you were to watch on my YouTube channel right now, which you could click on. You could click on that on my TikTok profile. I'm sharing my screen on my YouTube channel, and on this website yieldwatch.net. I'm monitoring my farms, which are giving me something like 300+% annual returns, and but the thing I got to worry about is impermanent loss. And so far so good. I've lost less with impermanent loss than I have with the yields, the returns. So I like it. Cardano has a big market cap. Do you know this? Price circulating divided by market cap. Yeah, I know Cardano has a big market cap. I mean, it's a massive coin and platform. So, I mean, I think I've seen estimates that Cardano is going to hit between $8 and $12 this year. So, I'm not worried about it. All right, so WBNB-Gum Pool, 350% annual return in farming. I've made about 10 cake, which is about $222, something like that. And I have lost, through impermanent loss, $97.29. That's my worst case scenario for farming. So I don't mind that. That means really I'm getting like 150% return, which I will gladly take. All right, Nick G, I just bought Cardano, stored it into a wallet, and just staked it. I'll pull it up every now and then to see what my rewards look like, but that's it. That's awesome. Yeah, there you go. So, what is Cardano's market cap? Why would why would I care about Cardano's market cap, really? I mean, all right. 54 billion. I mean, yeah, that is high, but it's just that's what it's like being one of the biggest. Oh, that's the fully diluted market cap. 38 billion regular market cap. So, in order for Cardano to hit $8, it has to have $250 billion market cap. Yes, and I think it's going to happen. I think all of crypto will peak at 10 trillion this year. And so, Bitcoin will obviously be taking a huge part of that. Bitcoin, I believe, will get to about 4x right here. So, Bitcoin at 4x of now would be about half of that 10 trillion. So maybe even go higher than that. So, yeah, all right. It's 25% about what Bitcoin has now. What about when this cycle is over? Bitcoin is a fraction of what its market cap is going to be right now, and we're going to see a lot of that back end loaded. And yeah, Will it be overpriced at $8? Yes. Yes, it will. And then it'll go down from here. So you got to have some Cardano, man. Even if I'm wrong, even if $8 is a pipe dream, you've got to have some Cardano. I mean, people are saying Ethereum is going to hit 10. I've seen conservative estimates for $10,000 for Ethereum. So what does that put their market cap at? At $1 trillion, which is right where Bitcoin's market cap is. I'm not thinking about where Bitcoin market cap is now. I'm thinking about where Bitcoin's market cap is going to be when, not if, but when Ethereum's market cap hits $1 trillion. And some people are saying upwards of $20,000 for Ethereum this year. I hope so. That would make me a millionaire, but no, it's not happening. So you are welcome. I have it in my portfolio, but it doesn't make me money as OGN that I started recently. Yeah, I mean, all of my purchases right now are altcoins, and when I think altcoins, I'm thinking at least top 50. I just, for the most part, don't want to touch except for maybe Theta or something like that. But yeah, I'm happy to hold some. So let's see. Binance is number 3. XRP is getting back up there. Cardano, Polkadot. Those are the big ones. I mean, obviously Tether, but anyway, I'm checking on Riskmoon again. Wow, man. Riskmoon had a massive green candle and then a massive red candle. But then that red candle is almost entirely wick now. So I'm loving me some Riskmoon. Top 5 altcoins. Alright, so I just said my new purchases aren't like top 50 coins. So is Cake a top 50 coin by market cap? Because if so, that's my number 1 of the top 5 altcoins. Rank number 40. Okay, so I'm still buying Cake. And I'll throw Theta in there as well, even though Theta's a pretty big one as far as the market cap is concerned. I'll go XLM, Theta, Cake, and then probably after that I want to go pretty low with market cap, or not with with market cap. And so I would say after that, some kind of deflationary meme coin would be good. I really like Riskmoon, just because the burn is so aggressive. That and the distribution is so aggressive that, all right, I bought in on Riskmoon, and just the value of the coins that I got distributed to me in a couple days is like, I don't know, I bought 1,000, and the value of the coins distributed to me is probably like $40. So Riskmoon, and I got to give you one more. Let me think. I'm just going to look at this Coin360 website real quick and see. Man, Crow, that's the one. Crypto.com, Crow. So there's 5. Theta, XLM, Crow, Riskmoon, and shoot, what was the other one I said? Oh, Cake. All right. Okay. Let's see. I want to just see some of these other coins here. Fast Moon is flat. Orfano is flat. Pitbull is driving me crazy. Ibra, obvious. Why are you even asking me that question? I don't understand why you're implying that I don't know that. All right, Crow has a huge circulating supply. So what? That doesn't mean the price is. What are you talking about? So the price is going to go down? I mean, I'm talking about market cap. I'm very few people when they talk about the price, like, do they talk about market cap? Robert Kiyosaki says Bitcoin is going to hit 5 million in 5 years. What do you think? 5 years from now. 500,000. Okay. I think it'll hit more than 500,000 in within the next 5 years. I think 500,000 is conservative. Look up stock to flow. And if you're watching on TikTok and you're wondering why I'm using my microphone, it's because I'm also live on YouTube. And I'm sharing my screen on YouTube, so you can check it out there. But stock to flow, it's supply and demand. Supply and demand, stock to flow. I'm sorry, I'm tired. I'm not going to take the time to explain stock to flow. But if you want to read a book, read the Bitcoin Standard. He talks about gold's stock to flow versus silver stock to flow versus Bitcoin stock to flow. And you could see it was brilliant how Bitcoin was created with halving cycles. And so every cycle, the price of Bitcoin goes up. All right, so after the first halving, it went up 40x from its previous peak. After the second halving, it went up 20x from its previous peak. And so we're now after the third halving. I think it's going to go up 10x from its previous peak, which would put it around $200,000. And then the next halving, which will be in 2024, I think it's going to go 5x from that peak, which would put Bitcoin right around $1 million if it were to go up to $200,000 this time. So that is 2025. I think sometime towards the end of 2025, Bitcoin will hit $1 million. And then after that, 2028, probably around 2 million, 2.5 million, something like that. So, yeah, thanks Balance 4. Yeah, please check it out. Appreciate it. Theta got legs? Yes, it does. There's somebody who I follow on TikTok who I really like him. He's kind of a prick, and that's kind of his shtick. And I don't mind pricks, obviously, because I'm kind of one myself. But he has me convinced about Theta. He says it's going to 500 this year. I don't know really. Is he paying attention to market cap? Because I don't even know what their market cap is. All right, 12 billion. So that would put it at $500 billion market cap. He's probably being a little too. He should probably pay attention to market cap if he's thinking it's going to go to 500 this year. I don't think so. I do not think Theta has that kind of upward momentum. But man, he's been in it since 50 cents. So good for him. I don't even know if I've mentioned his name. The Happy Jutalian. is his name. So the Happy Jutalian. Yeah, that is ambitious. Yep, I do think that's a little too high, but we'll see. I mean, I think Bitcoin is going to 4x from here, and I think altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin. So maybe like an 8x, which would put it where $12.50, that would put it right around $100. Maybe more than that. We'll see. So it is a great time to own crypto, that's for sure. Any early altcoins worth a punt? Let me go back to the Coin360 chart here. Oh, I'm on it, but so I mean, I've been talking about. Somebody asked me like top 5 altcoin preferences, and I said Theta, I said XLM. I said, I'm just trying to remember which ones I said. Crow, I like Crow. And, I like Vet. I definitely like Vet. I'm trying to think. But then smaller ones, I mean, if you want to go for a meme coin like SafeMoon, I prefer RiskMoon just because their burn is so much more aggressive. Should I just buy Bitcoin and not worry about other coins? Maybe. Let me tell you what I do, and you can judge based on that. People are going to make a lot of money this year, and they're going to lose, and other people, or maybe those same people, are going to lose a lot of money as well. And Bitcoin is going to go much higher, and if it crashes, it's not going to crash all that much. I think with the heavy institutional investment that it's not going to crash as hard this time as it has in the past. But I think I can do relatively well at taking profits and timing it. I think a lot of altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin from where they are now to their peak. But then after all the crashes and corrections and everything like that, it would have been better off just to hold Bitcoin. And so if you think you can be disciplined enough to not get greedy and just take your profits, I would recommend altcoins. But if you have a tendency of being like, all right, this thing has 8x and I'm going to wait for it to 20x, whatever altcoin you choose, you might end up getting bit in the rear. So I wouldn't recommend that. I am very heavily percentage-wise in Bitcoin, and I'm looking right now with Bitcoin at about $60,000. Every new dollar that I put into crypto right now is going into altcoins. So that's just me, but that's because, I own somewhere between 1 and 10,000 Bitcoin. I'm happy with the amount of Bitcoin I have, and I'm just looking for short-term returns now. So let's see, RSR. What do I think about RSR? Yeah, the fact that JP Morgan and others are investing. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is going to win, and you're going to, if you were to just buy and hold Bitcoin versus buying and holding these other cryptos, I think Bitcoin easily is going to outperform all of them, like literally all of them. But if you understand halving cycles and you take a dive into that, then yes, yeah, I mean, there's money to be made. Am I still in Poodle from my YouTube channel? Yes, I am still in Poodle. It's been disappointing to see their performance, but I think that I'm willing to hold on to Poodle for as long as I need to. So, all right, I'm trying to answer a question about RSR. What's my thoughts on Ethereum? I love Ethereum, very much so. And I don't think we're too late on Bitcoin or Ethereum. I think it's a great time, even now, to get in on both. But, all right. RSR, reserve rights. What do I know? I don't know anything about RSR. 7.9 cents per coin right now. Reserve rights. Where's the website? I'm live on YouTube along with TikTok right now. Just in case you're wondering, I'm looking at my computer, which I'm sharing on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see my computer screen, hop over to my YouTube channel. Reserve. It's a stable coin. Why am I wasting time on RSR if it's a stable coin? I don't know. Let's see. BTT. I have looked up BTT before. I'm just trying BitTorrent. Let me see if I can find their website. I don't know. I'm just gonna say I don't know, and let me do some research on it. 0.9 of a cent, 8.92 billion market cap. My goodness, that's a lot of coins. 3,000% returns year to date. That's pretty nice. I mean, with those kinds of returns, I wouldn't be surprised if it's got more upward momentum for this bull run, at least. I want to compare that to Binance, their returns year to date. Because Binance, other than Dogecoin, believe it or not, Dogecoin has been my best performing asset. And it drives me crazy. It drives me absolutely bonkers. Thanks, Brian. I really appreciate it. Yeah, both my YouTube and TikTok channels have been growing pretty rapidly lately, and I'm thankful for that because, like, I would love to make this a career or something. You know, I love what I do already, my business, but I really enjoy doing research on this. Oh my goodness, just show me a chart. Let me go to Coin360. Doge can hit $2. I don't think so. I think 50 cents is going to be the peak for Doge this year. And I know that other people are saying much more than that. So 2,000% return on Binance. I'm new to crypto. Any tips? Just buy Bitcoin. Well, let me answer your question and say buy Bitcoin now. 4 years from now, like, and just study more and more about crypto. And 4 years from now, you will be in a prime position to kill it with altcoins. But right now in the cycle, we're about halfway through this cycle, in my opinion, as far as the timing is concerned. Maybe even like 2/3 of the way through the cycle. I think we're going to peak this cycle in like September or October. And so that's 4 months from now, 5 or 6 months from now. Just buy Bitcoin, hold on to that for like 4 or 5 years, and do a ton of research on crypto until the next halving cycle. If you don't know what I'm talking about with halving cycles, look it up. So, yeah. All right. Let's see. I'm going to look up. Ooh, yes. All right. Gourmet Galaxy Rising. I'm going to look up Safe Moon, Safe Mars, and Poodle. See Safe Moon. 6 zeros and then 8-4. And Safe Mars. No, I'm not going to look up Safe Mars. I'll look up Poodle. Probably 10, 9. Okay. It's taking way longer for Bitcoin to stabilize about 60 than I thought it would. You and me both, Nick. What I think is happening is this is turning from the 2013 bull run to the 2017 bull run. And it's been torture just watching Bitcoin around $58,000. It'll break out sometime, but it's been like a month and a half. So it's like, come on, man. Just break out. But how high can Ethereum and Cardano go, or in 5 years' time? They are the ones, I'm guessing those are the ones you're invested in, Tom. Or what is that? What's your name? I get Toddy on TikTok. I've from the beginning when Ethereum was $300 a coin, I have been saying $8,000 to $10,000 for Ethereum, and Cardano I'd say like $8. So, but can they go higher? Yes, absolutely, they can go higher. So, YH. I don't know what YH means. Oh, man. Come on, Bitcoin. Break up. Just started investing in crypto. Any recommendations to learn charts? Oh, man, charts. You know, if you're talking about technical analysis, Jamie, I'm not a big fan of TA because that's all short term. I don't care about short term. What I really care about is metrics. I want to see more medium long term. And so my recommendation is to go to glassnode.com and just study everything you can see on there. And then there's on Twitter, there's these two people called Jan and Yan. Jan ampersand Yan, JANYANN, and they put a lot of effort into explaining those charts. Not the charts, the metrics. I mean, they are charts, but pay no attention to charts. Technical analysis is overrated. So, what do I think of Ecomi? I've looked that up before. Hey, Conan, what's up? If you're on, I am on live on TikTok and YouTube right now, so I'm answering questions on both, just in case anyone is concerned. Wow. Ecomi. Oh, Omi. Oh, hold on a second. I know about this one. It's just I'm blanking because there's so many of them. 37,000% return year over year. They have some. All right, short term. What do I think about Ecomi? I think they have some price discovery to do. I wouldn't be surprised if they have some downward movement still. Long term, I'm just trying to remember because I don't own any. They create the world's best platform to purchase, protect, and collect premium licensed. Oh, that's what it is. Yes. I am. All right, it took me a while. They're going to have, from what I understand, they're going to have NFL. They have the rights to NFL and Pokemon trading card NFTs. And if that's true, then I am super bullish on this. I'm not a big believer in NFTs, but yes, I am. Like basketball card NFTs, Pokemon card NFTs, football card NFTs, I'm in. So I like it. pretty much just given up on spending brain power on stuff other than Bitcoin and ETH. I don't have the brain function to chase anymore. I'm with you on that, Nick. It helps that I have so much time throughout my day to, like, I'm making videos about this stuff, making TikToks and stuff like that. So I do have, this is kind of like my job, except I'm not getting paid all that much money for it. But, you know, more and more every month I'm seeing some kind of return on it. So I'll take it. Anyway, GameStop. Got to talk about GameStop. The RGME stuff, I think, really has. I'm wondering if it's just causing, as far as morale is concerned, that really messed some things up. Volume is still incredibly low, but I don't know, man. I'm not selling ever. I think it's just going to get boring, and then all of a sudden we're going to see some fireworks. So oh man, I think I'm about done for today. 7 concurrent viewers, 9 concurrent viewers. Bam, there we go. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go live like for an hour every day. We'll see. I've been on for an hour and 15 minutes. I would still like to make some videos reviewing some things. So I will be back another time. Have a good weekend, everybody. Peace.